Awesome. Cool, cool. Now to go ahead and put this on my Discord server. Alright. Okay, well I'm doing this now. I think I ate too many chips today, and that kind of upset my stomach, but, you know, I haven't done this in a week, so I'm gonna do it again. There's a lot of work that needs to be done, but the first thing that isn't working is Get Pixel, which I need that for counting the number of pixels that you've used, so that because we have a limited number of pixels that you can use to draw stuff in the game, so that's one way we use Get Pixel, and then we use Get Pixel for copying and pasting pixels, and stuff like that. So I'm definitely going to be making this work. So currently doing this actually doesn't get the correct thing, which is not good. Which is weird because doing set pixels, it works, but doing this the other way around, it doesn't work, and I'm not 100% sure why that is right now. How the heck am I gonna do this? Okay. So, where is the error even coming from? Oh, it's coming from pencil.update. This is coming here, which is here, which is in here somewhere. Update color amounts. Okay, yeah. See, there's update color amounts. If I go to update color amounts, then it does that. But the thing that is really being annoying, I think it's this actually. Can't paste color collection. No, it's somewhere in here. Yeah, it's this. Get Pixel right here. It's either this or this. Yeah, it's actually it's probably also this. Which, what the heck is this doing? Oh, okay, I get that. I get that. Yeah. Okay, that's a little bit of a weird way of doing that. But my brain is just, I wish I didn't start streaming, but, you know, I'm already doing it, so I gotta figure this out. So, we're doing Get Pixel, but this is just like, here, where is this even being referenced? Prune tile positions in update tile map with line tool, which is in line tool. So, man, this is so spread out. There's so many different files to keep track of. And I don't know, man. This is a pretty difficult thing to make. So here's the deal. This getting chunk from position is not working. So I just thought of another thing that I need to do. Okay, so let me actually make a list here so I can keep on track. So here's the deal. What we need is, first of all, we need to not destroy chunks. Just make an empty texture for them. Just copy an empty texture. Which, I think this is good. And that's just a performance thing. But what we actually want to do is we want to fix get color, which allows us to do a bunch of other things because it's a very important fundamental thing we need to do. Or get pixel. Ugh. This is my brain is just collapsing today. So where do I even start? Well, how about I debug.log this. Because you can see here that we're accessing a chunk that doesn't exist, and that's where the error is coming from. So wait. I should not have had Steam open. Whatever. Let's see here. Wait, I have an idea. Wait, okay. Update color amounts. What if I'm supposed to do it like this? Wait, but then... Oh, okay. No, okay, I get how this works now. Oh, I understand why this doesn't work. Okay, I'll tell you about it in a second here, but I have an idea, so... Color, a nullable color, which can just be a color, question mark array. New color, question mark. Okay, so basically, if we're trying to get a color from a chunk that doesn't exist, we should, well, shouldn't do null. We shouldn't let it be null. We should just say, how do you get chunk? How do you check if a chunk exists? Get chunk. Okay, if I get chunk. That's not what I want to do. What was I supposed to... Okay, so pixel map getters and setters, go to definition, which is in here. Okay, return this. Otherwise, return null. If get chunk. If that is equal to null, then we want to return color.clear. Otherwise, you want to return that. There we go. That should probably fix it, maybe? We're gonna find out. Okay. That's not causing any more errors, but actually, let me print the get pixel. Painting manager, painting map test, pencil, update color amounts. Okay, I need to go to definition, and then I want to make sure that the get pixel here is actually working. Okay. Print t, or debug.log. I like having my own game engine, but I also kind of hate it because it gives me a lot of control, but then I have to build out all the systems myself, and I literally don't have time for that. Okay, you can see it's doing 0. And it's still returning 0, even though I am, you know, drawing in just pixels, as you can see here, so it's not working. It is officially not working. Also, I need to check something. Game manager, values, test, and then I'm gonna give myself 1,000 of these, just so I can actually tell if I'm using them or not. Oh. Okay. I can't erase it though, which is weird. I wonder why I can't erase it. Here, if I do this, I can draw more. Oh, because the eraser thinks that it's using the thing. Okay, so let's fix that. Because then it should work. Which is good. It's good that my old code is, like, not gonna break. That's good to hear. Okay. Paint positions. This is ridiculous. Okay. Where's the, okay, the eraser. Paint update. Go to definition. And then we need to do rule. Check for color updates. Wait, no. Wait, paint update. Oh, eraser. Wait, color dot clear. Okay, well then why is it consuming a color? I'll just remove all that. Why? Okay, why? Okay. Brush color. This isn't a problem. But so tile amounts changed, format for vector to NVM. Okay, that's the color. Why would that ever be null? That would never be null. So I'm gonna delete that. If not, tile amounts change, that contains key T. Formatted. Find all references. Okay, this is a really weird error because it's not really making sense right now. Oh yeah, well, I can just remove this because this isn't actually necessary. This is weird. One minute, it went out of my playlist, and I don't know why. We'll just do that. Why? Excuse me, but why are you reducing? You're not white. Where the heck does... Where? So, for some reason, the eraser thinks that it's drawing whatever color is selected, but it's not. It's in the eraser here. It says to use color.clear. Doesn't make any sense. I think get pixel. Yeah, I think that's why it's probably get pixel. It has something to do with get pixel at least. So I think that's a factor, but I think it still remains to be seen. Okay, that's fine. That works. Oh wait, I have to add another one. There we go. Let's see here. No. Chunk, 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 chunk. Good. So it's a chunk. Okay, what about if I debug.log? This. Okay, so it's a texture. Dot name. I don't think it's gonna have a name actually. And then there's a get pixel function on the texture. Wait, no, I just need to debug mod position. And another thing I think I should probably do is make outlines for the chunks that are like gizmos. Okay, so it's consistent, but we need to see what happens when this happens. See that right there? We're gonna see what happens when we get that pixel. It's not 0, 0, it's white. You fuck ass. It's literally white. What is your deal? It's not that, it's white. Why? Okay, you know what I'm gonna do quickly? Before I keep debugging this, I'm gonna do a quick thing. This one. There we go. And now I'm gonna do on draw gizmos. Gizmos dot draw cube, line, mesh, ray, sphere, wire cube, wire mesh, wire sphere. I'm gonna draw a line. Then we need to do chunk. Soft. 4 each. And then we're going to want to draw a line 4 different times. From 2, we're going to draw from... Shit, where are we going to draw from? Value. Oh, it's the key. 2. Plus. And then we want to do chunk size v2i. Draws a line from that position times pixels per unit. Where's the... How do I get the pixels per unit again? Oh yeah, it's times constants dot pixels per unit. That might have actually been copyrighted. The frickin' YouTube playlist thing keeps going out of where it's supposed to, and I don't even notice. I hate that. I hate that so much. Maybe I should download all of this shit and play it on my computer. You know what? I might actually do that. Like 4 times. Okay. So it's going from there to there. You know, I just need to see if that actually works. Oh, cannot convert from vector 2 into vector 3? Really? I need to do that, and I need to do that. And it's just gonna draw the same line 4 different times. but I just need to see that this actually works. So now that's not what I wanted. Oh yeah, it's drawing some funky lines here. That is not right at all. Divided by scale, I think is... Yep, it was supposed to be divided by scale, not multiplied by scale. Let's try it again. Almost. I need to make these green. Oh, I'm gonna make it blue to differentiate it from collision gizmos. Wait, I have an idea. I have an idea. What if instead we do... What if I just delete all these because they're unnecessary for right now? What if I do... We do... value dot go to definition. It's not what I wanted. Need to go to that definition. There we go. What if I do r dot bottom? Oh wait, no. R dot position. R dot position plus vector 2 R dot height. We need to do a new one here. That's not what I wanted. What if I do that instead? Will that work? Because if it does, I'm going to heavily prefer that method of doing things. weird. How am I gonna do this exactly? It's only drawing a blue line right there. What if instead of doing height, I did width? What if I try that? Just gotta try some stuff out. Okay, it's very clear what that's doing. Divided by distance dot pixel per unit. Or it needs to be divided by scale. Try it again, because I need to have a visualization for where the chunks are for this to all make sense. Okay, that's much smaller, but... Where the heck is the gizmo now? Because I just straight up can't see it. Oh. I figured it out. Never mind. Okay. I just need to have a visualization for the borders of the chunks. It cannot be that hard. There's no way that it's this difficult. Oh, it's divided by scale. Come on, bro. I'm trying so hard. I'm trying so hard. There we go. Finally. Finally. It's on the correct positions. Finally. Okay. There we go. So it's that, and then from this to r dot size. let's see how that does. Terribly obtuse. So obtuse. Just awful. Okay, well this is something. We're almost there. We've got two sides. Position over scale. That. So that's needs to be done first for all the other operations. We do that. Okay. Just to make sure the math is being done right, because I don't think, in terms of order of operations, I don't think this is. No, it was working correctly. Yeah, I have an idea. We need to make this simpler somehow. Because we're repeating code. Up, top, bottom. Sure. I can rename those variables. So, according to this, offset over scale. So that's that. And then I do this. And then I do this for up. And then we do another one of these. And then we do this. It's just this monstrosity of a thing. So we do it's 2 up, and then we delete all these because it's going to be easier to write them the second time. How long have I been live? 39 minutes! Great! Amazing! I'm just fumbling today. I really am. I'm throwing so hard. Hmm. It's the height. Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh. There we go. Fix it. That should fix it. Now I just need to translate the whole thing. This is like actually like a lot of work for just drawing a frickin' cube around everything. Just so I can get a visualization of where the chunks are. Now the only question is, why is there that going on? Because they overlap by 1 pixel. Why do they overlap by a pixel? See, having a debugging tool like this is very helpful for understanding random weird stuff with your code. Alright, well now that we have that, the gizmo's being drawn. That's good. This is good. This is cool. This is a lot of math, but it's cool. Get chunk. Ugh, this is ridiculous. Okay. Add chunk. Okay. Getters and setters. Debug.log, all this BS. I'm gonna delete all of it. And I'm going to do that. And it's always returning color.clear. How is mod position being calculated? What if I just copy this? I think I know why. Okay, so what I need to do here, pixel map. Pixel map, yeah, okay. Oh, and I don't even need this. I can do that. Oh wait, no, then I would do vector 2 get clan position. And then it would be a function. And then we would need that. That we need to do a little bit of Okay. Has anyone been chatting this whole time? Oh. Oh yeah, okay. Cool. William was here, like, a while ago. Let me move that over. I didn't have chat open that whole time. Alright. Love this music. Only question is, why is this not working? There, that's why. That's repeated code, and repeated code sucks, so if you can avoid it, then do avoid it. Now let's see if it's counting correctly. I hope it is. That still doesn't work, but I want to try something. And it's not going down, so that means that I fixed the problem. There we go, the colors are now accurately being counted. That took like an hour. That's probably because I had to set up a lot of other stuff and also realize some small mistakes that I've made. Okay, now to figure out why it's not counting the thing correctly for the eraser, which I have no idea why. Eraser, pane update, go to definition. Virtual void pane update, override void pane update. Oh. 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 S dot current color map. Oh. Oh. I see. That's why. That's good to know. I don't know what I'm doing. I hate this. Oh, hey, look at that. There we go. Why did it just suddenly stop out of nowhere? I think that's another thing. Yeah, if I fully exhaust it, it won't let me for some reason. Oh wait, and I should probably pixel map edit script. I should probably do something like not string soy layer, but pool raw borders. If I click that, then you know I get that, and then I can do that. Check that out. Now we can have toggleable chunk borders, which is great. It's really good. Okay, so that was a quick little thing, and then now what I need to do. What was I doing? I was doing that. So pencil Y. Maybe I should override this function. I'm gonna override this function. Because it's not that complicated of a function. Is that a public? I'm not gonna do base.paint update. I'm gonna do this. Which I'm gonna do protected. And then we're not going to check that or that. We're just going to do this. then if I do this, I can do... There we go. That's not what I wanted. There we go. Look at that. Way epic. Okay. Now what am I gonna do? I got those two things working. Well, there are other brushes I have to add. Oh yeah, and there are other functions I have to add. Okay, I'm gonna use the restroom. Or here you are. Camera's right here. I'm gonna use the restroom. I'll be right back, and I'm gonna think about what I need to do next. Cause I know there's a lot of stuff that needs to be done. It's just that I don't know what specifically I need to do. So. Okay. So I've got this. Got this. Got all this. I'm not doing. Actually, get my note open. So I got that fixed. I got all that fixed. Now I need to just do this, which I think we're already doing, but. Now, question is, where does it remove chunks? Oh, when you clear all. You know what? Maybe that's fine. Because we don't do clear that often, I'm just gonna go with that's fine, because I don't really see a problem with that. I do need to look at all the different other brushes that we need to do though. Pixel map, getters and setters, eraser, pencils, just get all that out of the way, because it's a lot of BS that we don't need. So, brush, brushes, brush shapes, eraser, line tool, pencil. Did line tool actually work, or was it buggy? Because I don't remember. I'll have to add it. Okay, you know, that's fine, but I don't have line tool right now, so. It's not what I wanted. Fill, line tool. There we go. Now what happens if I do this? Doesn't do anything. This works and this works. The line tool literally unironically does not do anything. Which is great. Okay, so line tool does not work at all, which is very disappointing. I'm disappointed personally. To be fair, the code for that was pretty awful, so I'm gonna have to redo it, or at least see what I can do differently. So for line tool, what is even going on here? Because I don't know what's going on. Where is this getting used? You know, this is stupid. I'm not doing this. Vector 2 int. Is this a vector 2? Yeah, it's a vector 2 int. I'm trying so hard right now. Alright. So, what's actually happening here? If the line is held and that, then end line trace. Otherwise, if we're getting the first mouse button down, if line is okay. What is even going on here? This is so, like, poorly made. This sucks. Okay, so I'm gonna redo this. So, let me actually write out how this is gonna work generally. So, first of all, with the line tool, we want to have like a something that gets updated every frame, which is for the transparent tile map, which is the transparent version of the line that you're about to make. So needs to generate transparent version of line before you place it every frame. Then what happens next is you need to, okay, wait, no, let's actually do it like this. So start by clicking mouse. Then when you've clicked the mouse, it needs to start a line trace. And then it draws a transparent representation of where you're about to place a line. Then, when you click the mouse again, place the line on the main tile map. Prune tile positions and update color amounts. So that is the entire process of doing this. So I'm gonna completely delete. I'm gonna screenshot it, but I'm gonna also, that was a meme that I found on Steam. But yeah, I'm gonna screenshot that and just delete it, because this is just not, I don't like how this is done. So we're gonna start completely from scratch, because what I did was I copy pasted this code from the old thingy that I was working on, but we're not gonna do that. So line is held if mouse, or no, if input, and my thing stopped. If input dot get mouse button down 0, we get the 0th mouse button down. And then what we're gonna need to do is we're gonna need to not line is held. So we swap it. So for example, if it's held right now, it would not be held when you click the mouse. Or if it's not held, when you click the mouse, it'll be held. So we're gonna do it like this time, which will simplify a lot of the logic, I think. So then we need to do if line is held, then we need to draw transparent line, and then we need to do if not line is held, oh, we need to have another boolean. So this starts as false. So I can see why the logic got complicated before, was because, for example, it would, every time the line stopped being held, it would place it. But for example, let's say that we start the game and the line isn't held. Well, then it would do that, and yeah, that would not be pretty. So we need to figure out the conditions for getting a line placed. So this is false, but in what way would a line need to be placed? If line is held. Well, how was I doing it before? Let me look. So for example, okay, so if line is held and, oh, that's why I did it with 2 mouse buttons. That's why I did it with 2 mouse buttons, because it was weird. Uh, so we're gonna do an enum. So the line can either be none, held, or placed. Then we can call this line state. And then instead of doing this, we can do state is equal to line state. So state starts out as none. Ooh, that's a really good way of doing it. Okay, so it's gonna cycle between them like this. That's not what I want to do. I need to do this as an 8. There we go. Which is perfectly fine. So, what I need to do is now is I need to debug.log state. Just so that I can get an idea of like how it's cycling. Also, you can see that this has taken me like 5 minutes just to do that. That's kind of how I'm feeling right now. I'm just like super tired, and I'm trying, but it's not very easy. So, and why is nothing showing up in the console? Give me one moment. Watch this. That was my error. Watch it work now. I don't even know if it's gonna work, but... Oh. What if I do that? There we go. Check that out. It works now. That easy. The only difference is we need to make the transparent tile map different, or pixel map rather. Pixel map. Float transparency. Chunk.init, chunks.add, Then we need to do chunk dot render dot. No, we need to rename this. Chunk dot renderer dot, and then we need to do dot color equals methods dot mod alpha, and then the amount to be the transparency. So now we're just going to modify the alpha by this amount, and we're going to make it a slider from 0 to 1, because I know you can make a slider. I don't remember how you do it though. Oh, it's a range, 0 to 1. I think. Is that how you do it? There we go. There we go. Check that out. 0. Now if I do it at 0, it still hasn't changed. Now what happens if I do this? Check that out. See that one chunk right there? It's getting changed. Clearly, I've not gotten that completely down. Transparency method on that. Chunk.renderer.color. Then why is it not changing it? Did I have the right one selected? Yeah, I did have the right one selected. Weird. Well then why isn't it changing? Because I'm changing it right here. You know what? Screw it. Now let's try it like that. Nope. Let's just keep trying until we get it to change the color. Like, jeez. Can I please just... Yeah, okay. And the sprite renderer color is not changing. Okay, then why is that? Renderer. Rename. Is that why? Please tell me that's not why. Okay, it's not why, but it's weird. Okay, so we got renderer going on. Let me go look at the code for this. Plus amount. Okay. So instead of modifying alpha, we can also set alpha, which is that. There we go. Can this please work? Okay, and you can see that they're you can see the chunk borders because I fucked some stuff up with the placement of these guys. But it works, so. Oh, that's good. Alright, now what I need to do is I need to go to, I need to close that actually. Pixel chunk. This I don't think is that important. I need to figure out why it's not like moving though, or it's getting placed wrong. Pixel map. Chunk.init, chunk size, chunk is g dot. Position. So is the position getting changed? Well, the chunk size. What's the deal with the chunk size? Is the chunk size getting changed? Where's the chunk? Where does it in? Where does this init? Where does the chunk? Okay. Well then. Okay. Well then where? Well then where's the chunk size? Find all references. What's the deal with this? Because it needs to be an odd number. $101. 1 minute. Let me go deal with that really quickly. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Give me like 5 seconds. Okay, I have to change out the cat litter. I've been going for like an hour and a half. Should I stream again later? Or nah? Because I have no idea. Because that could be totally... What time is it? It's 3:25? I don't know. I think I might stream later, but I'm gonna do like all the chores around the house to make sure that they don't interrupt me. I don't understand, man. This is why I can't wait to move out, because these guys don't understand what the deal is. They don't understand. They just don't get it. They don't get that stream time is stream time, and only stream time. You know? So yeah, I'm gonna end for now.